Okay, you're watching the presentation, Next Big Hit of the Stock Market, the Most Possible IPO. I am Stephen Shiao. This presentation is prepared for the Entrepreneurship class 2012 Calmat Fall, instructed by Professor Sammy Tong. A list of startups that Goldman Sachs thinks will most likely IPO in the near future. There are more than 40 companies have been mentioned. Few famous are the Dropbox for the document data transport portal, Eventbrite, the meeting organizers, and Spotify, the music portal. These are widely adopted on the internet activity. One of the shining star, the most promising one, I would say the Ravio. Ravio. Who is Ravio? Ravio is a company behind one of the most successful mobile games to date, Throw the Birds to the Big. As stated, Ravio Enterprise entertainment company behind the highly successful game Angry Bird. Now the business is strong enough for a stock market listing and is planning on its initial public offering soon. The mobile game developer has a potential promotions with their products. There are over 1 billion downloads, 200 plus million monthly users, 30 plus million daily active users, and over 300 million minutes played daily. It does even provide the shopping, which expand into the toys, board games, playground sets, and various other products. The company formed 2003, and the video game developer is behind the Angry Birds series. The revenue on 2011 is $106 million. So 963% of the revenue posted in the previous year. Its profit is $48 million before tax, up from $10 million in 2010. And 30% of its total revenue comes from the consumer product line, which include clothes, toys, candies, and other merchandise. It has 648 million total downloads by the end of 2011, and the active users is about 200 million by 2012, over 1 billion landmark. To add to the success for the latest product along the side of NASA engineers is called Angry Birds Space. It launched on the PC, Mac, iOS, and Android. Have varied types of birds at the green peaks, and the new sense of a move based on the zero gravity environment. Has 6 characters and powers new, and 10 more new levels on top of the existing 50 levels, and create a record high of 50 million downloads in 35 days. It has a future investment plan for the product development and branding. It has a full motion animated series which has 52 episodes starting from the fall. Formed a deal with the 20th Century Fox Cinemax to release Angry Bird, the real versions based on the 2011 children's movies. It has a theme park in Finland right now and continued to form the empire of Angry Bird lands. It started releasing the non-Angry Bird titles, and up to this point the valuation is $9 billion, and it's planning to do that in New York or Hong Kong. With the strong records, we believe this is most possible IPO in the near future. Refer to the previous gaming like Nixon, Sega, Namco, or Sanrio for the Hello Kitties. Thank you for watching.